Hello friend, this is Rakesh and welcome to our channel. Friends, today I am on the banks of river Mandavi in Panji and it's a very beautiful river. Friends, today's video is based on the river. Okay, you must have seen many times that when it rains very heavily, river floods and due to flooding water flows across the bank. In today's video we'll be showing some hibiscus flowers, and when it blooms it will look like as if the river has flooded. If you like this video, then do share it on social media, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.